Hello friends, welcome to Life Science Career Academy. This is part 2 video of food pasteurization technology in the module 2. I have already uploaded part 1 video of food pasteurization technology. Please go and watch into it. I will give the link in the description page. Please leave a comment page, any suggestions and improvement in the future videos. Hope if you like this video initiative, please support, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Let's go. What are the recent trends available in pasteurization technology? One is irradiation pasteurization technology. It is also called cold pasteurization process. It kills all pathogenic bacteria in food by exposing it into high energy rays. Like low doses of gamma rays and X-rays are more effective against to control vegetative bacteria and parasites. It is most widely used in developed countries today. And another one is microwave volumetric heating. It is the lowest. It is newest available pasteurization technology. It uses microwave to heat liquid and semi-solid product in continuous flow. It uses gentle and short heating process, so the almost all sensitive substances like milks are processed today. In another one is low temperature short time process. It is a patented method. It is from since 2019 only. The process of this LTST is it sprays the droplets of the food product into a chamber heated below the usual pasteurization temperature, and also it takes very few fraction of seconds, so it is called millisecond technology, MST. If you are combining this LTST process into HTST process, we have already seen HTST process in detail. If you are combining this process, it extends the shelf life of the product without damaging the nutrients and flavors in the product. These are all the most widely used recent technologies in pasteurization process, and are also all other available non-thermal pasteurization technology is pulsed electric field technology, Pascalization process, that is also called a low pressure process. We will see these two methods in detail in future videos. And what are the application in food pasteurization? There are wide applications in pasteurization technology. The most utilized applications are milk and milk products, canned foods, eggs, fruit beverages, syrups, beer, meat products. And what is the advantage and limitations of pasteurization? The most advantages are it reduces the pathogenic bacteria, and it enhances the shelf life of the product, and also it deactivates the enzyme in the food items. These are all the major advantages of pasteurization technology. Very few disadvantages are there. One is it is not effective against heat resistant bacteria like Staph aureus E. coli bacteria, and also very little nutrient losses will be there in pasteurization technology. And also I have told in the previous video, we'll see the expected questions of FSSAI mains exam. Let's see very few questions I have noted down. One is explain the principles of pasteurization and describe the types of pasteurization and explain in detail. Discuss the rules of pasteurization and preservation of food, and describe the recent trends in pasteurization. These are the very few expected questions in the FSSAI. FSO main examination. Okay, thank you friends. That's all about today's topic. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.